This 2025 Palomino Puma Destination 401 RLFT is a destination trailer RV. It is located in Manheim, Pennsylvania, 17545 and is offered for sale by RV Value Mart. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Palomino is 42 feet 0 inches in length and features a stone interior, sleeps 8, slide-out, and 43 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this destination trailer features front bedroom, kitchen island, loft, rear living area, 2 entry/exit doors. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.